This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hitesh Nangrani. One or more photos has been virtually staged. Welcome home to 1485 in-page dining room, offering unbeatable value and comfort, combining modern upgrades with timeless charm. This beautiful 4-bedroom home features a new roof installed in 2023. Square footage includes finished 417 square feet of finished and vented enclosed porch functioning as a 4th bedroom with access to the yard. Key features include new roof in February 2023, energy-efficient windows providing durability, protection, and significant savings on utility bills, newly refined kitchen and cabinetry for both style and functionality, spacious living and dining room combo offering versatility and value, easy maintenance of terrazzo flooring while adding a touch of class to every room, spacious laundry room providing plenty of space for laundry tasks and storage solutions, ample parking space, including room for a boat, accommodating your outdoor lifestyle needs with ease. This home is ideally located close to nearby parks and schools. Don't miss out on this opportunity for exceptional value and comfort. Schedule a viewing today and see why this property is the perfect place to call home. For more information, review the